What's going on, y'all? What's going on? YouTube is Way with the playbook. And really quick, I just want to break down how me and the free signal room caught over 1,000 pips on gold yesterday, Friday, and in the week during London into New York session. So these lines you're looking at, these are my zones. I'm a price action trader, but I go a little bit deeper into it. And so basically, I'm on the daily time frame, and what I can see is that we're obviously in a downtrend. So what I saw was gold on the daily time frame hit this zone and rejected it. This wick right here, that is what I call a rejection wick. This is what I call a rejection wick, this right here. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm definitely looking for sales because it doesn't want to go up yet. It doesn't want to break that yet. So all I simply did was go to a smaller time frame, bam, and then so you get a little better look. It hit the zone and then broke under. You can tell, oh, I'll fix that line later, but you can tell by the red candles that it wouldn't go down. So all I simply did was put my stop loss where the highest it's been at, because if it goes higher than that, then I'm wrong most likely. So that's why I put my stop loss. My TP was the end of the zone. And I have my minor TPs and I set those up. You know, my students know how to do that. But yeah, so basically, I'm about to show you how that trade turned out. I'll put the screenshots and screen recording on the side so you can see we actually caught this in the signal room, and we actually caught over 1,000 pips. There's the, like, look at it go. Boom. And look what happens when it hits that zone. Look how it reacts to that zone. You see how it reacts to that zone? See how it's bouncing back up? This is that real Forex right there. That's how it ended. It ended right there at the market close. We caught a smooth 1,000+ pips right before market close Friday night. Man, you're missing out. Join that signal room. Links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Got any questions, comment down below. Or if you're interested in learning how I trade too, or you just want to get those extra signals, link in description for the advanced play signal room and mentorship. Tap in. But yeah, man, like, this was a quick video, but it's really that simple. That's really how I looked at the chart. Trading does not have to be complicated. That's literally all I did, and I caught 1,000 pips just like that.
DJ. Perfect.